How to change Shopify account's password. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Shopify account. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you will find this option of My Store. Click on it. Now head towards the option of Manage Account. Open it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you can find this option of Security. Click on it. Now just scroll down, you can see this section for password. From here you can easily change your password. Just click on this option of change your password. Now you have to fill these. Firstly, type in your current password. In the case you have forgotten your current password, you can click on this option of forget password to recover it. After you type in your current password, generate new password for your Shopify account. Again, type in your password to confirm your new password. After you fill these, you can click on this option of change password. And with that, your password has been changed. So this is how you can easily change Shopify account's password. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.